I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now before a few weeks ago, maybe close to a month now, because I've been kind of sitting on this particular shoe for a little bit. Before I got this particular shoe, I only had one, shockingly, I only had one other pair of this particular numbered LeBron. Boom. The LeBron 8 in that Entourage colorway. Alright, very dope shoe. Very dope shoe right here. Love this one. Love this one. But this, before recent times, was the only LeBron 8 that I owned. I usually have multiple pairs of the LeBron models, but for the 8s, I only have the one. But that all changes now. That all changes now, and it is better late than never, because you all know Big Ralph, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright, now I got these particular LeBrons from GOAT. Alright, I got these from GOAT. Okay, and they come with the GOAT tag there, and there is a GOAT verified tag here to let you know that they received them and they verified them and everything. These came just with no lid. They were one of the ones that says new but with no box or no lid or something like that, and usually they're a little bit cheaper if you get them with no lid, so I went ahead and did it that way. But these are the Nike LeBron 8 Quick Strike, alright, colorway Court Purple, University Gold, alright, size 14, of course. Boom, size 14 on these bad boys. So the lid's already off. Let's go ahead and get into this shoe, baby. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Man, had to have these right here. Had to have these. First, baby. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The LeBron 8 in that Lake Show colorway, baby. Woo. Now look, I am a predominantly Charlotte Hornets fan. I am a lifetime Charlotte Hornets fan. As long as I've been watching the NBA, as long as I've known that there was a team in Charlotte, I have been a Charlotte Hornets fan. Yes, there were those few years where they were the Bobcats. There was like 10 years they were the Bobcats. But I have been a fan of the team that is in Charlotte. With that being said, 3 of my favorite players of all time, top 3 arguably, of my favorite players of all time played for the Lakers. One is LeBron James. One is the late, great Kobe Bryant. And my favorite player ever, my favorite basketball player ever, the player that made me fall in love with the game of basketball, Shaquille O'Neal. All right. So I've kind of been a Lakers fan too because of Shaq, Kobe, and LeBron. But just because I'm wearing this, let's not get it twisted. That's why I'm explaining this to you now. I am first and foremost a Charlotte Hornets fan, all right? Don't be getting on here, oh, Big Ruff's a Laker fan. No, I'm a LeBron fan. That's why I have this on. Anyway, getting back to the shoe. Man, very dope. If you can see, if I'm not mistaken, this is the second version. This is like a V2 of the LeBron 8. I might have that backwards. I believe this is the first version of the LeBron 8. And this one is the second version. But as you can see, they are built different as far as the materials used on the shoe. They are built different. All right. You see more of that leather here. You know what I'm saying? It's a different bit. The quality on this version, to me, is better than the quality that is built on this version. I almost wish that they would do this colorway like this. Man, I think that'd be too sweet. But let's get that to the side. I really think these came out very nice. Is there paper in there? Yeah. Let me get that paper out of there. It's a little bit of paper, ain't much. Man, very dope. On the lace tips, you have LeBron 8 on the lace tips there. Very nice. On the tongue, you have your Lion King there. Your Lion King with the white eyes. Boom. On the back, it says, designed and engineered to the exact specifications of Mr. LeBron James. All right. Boom. That's what that square says there. And it's a 828 number there. And on the back here, you have, right there, LeBron James signature. You got your fly wire. These shoes do have the fly wire on them. You see more of it on the previous version, but they do have the fly wire. I do like that how the lace area here is an 8. It's a yellow 8 right there. Same on the other side. That is a yellow 8 going around there. That's pretty smooth. You got your yellow and white Laker color swoosh that comes up to the tip being here in the back. And then there is another dark purple swoosh there. Man, it's that tumbled leather too. It's that tumbled leather. It kind of feels like the leather you will find on a Jordan 1 toe box area. That's what this feels like. All the way around. And then they got a little bit of that tougher leather here on that side there. It's a diamond pattern as the light hits it. There's like a diamond pattern there. Pretty smooth. On the inside, I can't even see what that says. It looks like all kind of LeBron stuff there. On the inside, purple insole. Probably can't see anything. But the gold there, very nice, man. I like the hits of gold. This leather is different than the leather that's on the toe box area. The bottom's purple with your Lion King there. And of course, that 8 there. All right. Looks like it's got good traction. I'm not about to hoop in these. Air unit going around. All the way around. Very nice. Very nice. All right. on the front here at the bottom, it says James. So let me sneak a look at the right, boy. There is LeBron on the right at the front. So LeBron James here. All right. Now on the right, it does have the purple laces. All right. Purple laces are on the right shoe. Beyond that, there is no differences, so we don't really need to get into the right shoe. All right, but you all know what we gotta do now. We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet. All right, on feet. Well, let's go ahead and do the size test. All right. Once again, these are a size 14. My toe is right there. The tip of my big toe is right there. All right. These are a little bit more narrow in the front there. So a 14 is the right size in these. I would not go down to a 13.5 in this shoe because that would be too small with the way that the 8s, at least this version of the 8s, are a little bit narrow there in the front. It seems to me that the other ones are slightly, just the slightest bit wider, but not very much. So I would recommend all around, for me at least, my recommendation would be a half size up. Half size up from what you would normally wear. Alright? Wow. Very nice, man. Very nice. Glad that I was able to acquire these from GOAT. Very dope. Now let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Yo, man, without a shadow of a doubt, no question, these get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. Glad that I was able to cop these. I did pay the resale price for these, but it's not that high. It wasn't that much. So I caught them luckily when it was on the low end. I think it's gone up a little bit since I copped these, but glad that I was able to get these, man. These were definitely a must-have, even though the Nike and sneakers app be tripping on your boy. I was able to get them and get them in a size 14. So I'm happy with that. But that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. Maybe even a different version of these. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.